Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Pad. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, go to menu and enter settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, there will be snow showers with a high of 31 and a low of 27.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.